Hey my boo, it is your girl Stacey Woo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I created this cool lavender cut crease eye look, and if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. Alright my boo, so we're going to jump right into this thing, and we're going to be starting off with the Estee Lauder moisturizer that I've been loving. I've been using it like every night, and I also have a night treatment. I would definitely get this if you have like real dry skin and you want something not like thick like a Vaseline, because I am comfortable with putting Vaseline on my skin. I always put Vaseline on my skin, to be honest, especially in the wintertime. I will slap some Vaseline on me quick, fast, in a hurry. And now we're going to be jumping into the primer. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty, the soft matte pro filter one, and just, you know, lining that up on my face. So today, guys, is my brother's birthday. He would have been 31 today. Usually today I am in my room sad and thinking and praying and trying not to have a sulking day all day, you know. So I said, why not do makeup, you know, have some makeup therapy, you know what I'm saying? We're going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the color Deep Spice. But yes, today is my brother's birthday. He passed May 4th, 2011. I feel like at this time I am at peace, but I do feel like no matter what, I'm always really like missing him. And I think that's normal to miss somebody when they pass so soon, you know what I'm saying? And especially the way he passed. He was murdered. And when my brother passed, it was very traumatic for me. Didn't really know what to do. Thank God for my husband. At the time, he was my boyfriend. Thank God for him, because he helped me through that process, because I was very depressed. I feel like that where I come from is like normalized, like, oh, your brother got killed, oh, okay, your cousin got killed. Like a lot of people I know, a lot of their family members got killed, and it was so crazy because the biggest fear when I was younger is losing my brother. You know, right now I'm gonna jump into the dark deep. Since it's been over a decade since my brother was murdered, I have came to peace, and that's because of the Lord, because he says, let the dead bury the dead and come walk with me. And I'm trying not to get emotional. I feel like a lot of people can relate to losing a loved one in gun violence. I'm getting better with dealing with his death. This is my first time really like talking about it openly, because it's going to be on my YouTube, but it's very hard, you know. I wanted to come on here and just do some makeup and just have like a talk about it, because I feel like we all suffer from loss, and it's very hard, especially when they die traumatically. This is the 420 Fenty Beauty. I'm sad about my grandma, but I feel like my grandma lived a beautiful life. She traveled the world. She had her husband Jim. They used to be doing their thing, doing all, you know. So I feel like, you know, I feel a little more at ease with my grandma passing, even though she was only 75, and to me I think that's very young. But I feel like, you know, she lived her life. But like losing my brother to somebody shooting him, it's like really hard. I'm just on here talking about it because I want to let people know that it's okay to get help, because to be honest, that's what I did. I felt like it was something that I had to do because I was depressed, and I felt like the more I got closer to the Lord, the better the peace in my heart was, you know. I know he's proud of me, but every day I miss him. I wish, you know, like my daughter would have been able to meet him and, you know, just be able to know who he was. He was a good person, you know what I'm saying? So also, me almost losing my life in April. I had DVT, deep vein thrombosis. That really showed me life is too short to be really stressing out about things that you can't control. And you can't control God's plan, and you can't control what he has going on in your life, you know what I mean? From that, you have to not dwell in it. I'm going to be jumping into baking real quick too, boo. I'm going to be jumping into the matte setting powder, and this is in the color tan. After me almost losing my life It was like, life is too short to waste my time and waste my energy and my presence around people that's not really there for me. Me and my brother, we had a really great relationship, and where we come from, it taught me a lot. I'm just very, very grateful that I had a brother that was a protector, that was a good friend, that was a father too. You know, my brother was my dad and I was his goddamn mom, okay? So I just wanted to tell my story for real, just to let anybody know, if you're still grieving or if you're still mourning, it's okay. Pray. You're gonna be okay. Don't let your grieving stop you from where you're gonna go. Like, just keep moving. Run that race. Well, not the race, run that marathon. Now I'm gonna take that dark deep and I'm going to set my contour real quick. On a good note, collection is dropping tonight at 12 a.m. Make sure you guys check that collection out. So follow me on Instagram and also follow me and my husband's brand page, munjinwong.com. Okay, and I'm gonna link everything in the description box below so you guys can check that out. And I'm so happy, y'all. I got through without crying. So now, since we have this base down, we're going to be jumping in eyes, and today, baby, we getting in with the cut creases. You dig? Let me bring you in. We in. All right, so we about to get zammed and dirty. I got a couple of new brushes. Shout out to my boo Christine that works at Morphe. I also got some new P. Louise. I got the Ecstasy, and I also got the Raver. So I'm going to be taking Ecstasy, putting it right under my eye just like that. So I'm gonna just lay this Ecstasy all in my crease, just like that. And it looks a mess now, but don't worry about it, babe. It's gonna be okay. So I'm going to be taking my old M506 brush, just blend this out. And I have a little like socket, as you can see, like right here. So I kind of like want to blend that all the way up over that. You know what I mean? We're going to be jumping into the Carnival palette. We're going to be jumping into Slow Burn right here. Stamp it just right in here. And this is like our transition shade a little bit. All right, now since I have that down, I'm going to jump into Intuition. And we're going to jump into Reckless. And as you can see, it's like starting to get that nice gradient effect, you know? And actually, I don't know how this eye is going to work. I'm just doing it as I go. So I really quick just did my other eye because we're about to be cutting the crease. So we're going to be jumping into the Blank Canvas by Mama Mitchell. Like, I ain't cut a crease in a while, so hopefully this should work out. Ow! Okay. Blend this out. And I'm going to tap into Portrait. It's like this lavender. Swipe that right on the lid, just like that. Oh, I was nervous about this eye, but I'm confident about this eye now, you know? Okay. I'm going to be jumping into this cute little pink, and it's called Funky. So I'm going to take this ColourPop Purple Prose, and I'm going to lay this right really thick on my lower lash line. So for lashes, I'm going to be using my Ala mascara. Prep real nice for them. We're going to be jumping in highlight, and for highlight, I'm going to be using the Gold Luxe. I'm going to just take a little fluffy brush, go just like this. Whoa! Did that just pop like that? Wow. In the middle right here, I like to put some right here, and then I get the sides of my nose. All right, so now I haven't used my Mocha Mommie, so we're gonna jump into the Mocha Mommie. Blend that highlight in just a little bit. You see how that bronze? So now we're going to be jumping into lip. As you, what? Okay. So we're going to be jumping into the Night Mauve. I think I need to sharpen this. I'm going to take this Lime Crime lip, and this is in the color L, and I'm going to just lay this right over like that. That looks cute. Alright, and so now I'm going to be using the Soothing Olay Mist by e.l.f. I haven't used this in a while, and this is one of my faves as well. So guys, this is the final look. Oh my god, I really love the way this look came out. I haven't did a cut crease in a while, but it looks really nice. If you like this look, make sure you do not forget to leave me a comment down below, and also smash that like button. Also, my boo, I want to say thank you so much for listening to, you know, my story with losing my brother, and, you know, on grieving and things of that nature. I really hope that this video inspires somebody that is going through what I'm going through every single day, because I think about my brother every day, that, you know, they could find peace like I'm finding peace, and continue to heal with the situation, and also stop the violence. You know what I mean? Life is too short for, you know, losing your life over some petty stuff. You feel what I'm saying? Also, my boo, if you made it this far to the video, you might as well subscribe, and also hit that notification bell button too, because I want you to be notified for my upcoming videos. You feel what I'm saying? Okay, so with that being said, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep God first. You know that? Yeah. And I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah.